If you want to learn how to edit a picture in PowerPoint quickly and make it look much more polished, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest way to crop an image, adjust its color and brightness, add effects, and even remove the background if you need a cleaner look. These are simple PowerPoint tools, but once you know where they are, you can improve your slides in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and click on the picture you want to edit. As soon as you select the image, you'll notice the Picture Format tab appears at the top of the screen. This is your main editing area for everything related to the image. Now let's start with cropping. Click Crop, and then you can drag the edges of the picture to trim away any unwanted parts. This is especially useful if your image has extra space around the subject, or if you just want to focus on a specific area. Once the picture looks the way you want, click outside the image or press Enter to apply the crop. Next, let's improve the appearance of the picture using color and brightness adjustments. On the Picture Format tab, click Corrections. From here, you can change the brightness and contrast to make the image clearer, lighter, or more balanced. If your photo looks too dark or washed out, this is a great place to fix it. After that, click Color if you want to change the tone of the image or apply a recolor effect. You can make the picture more vibrant, more muted, or match it better with the overall style of your slide. Now let's add some effects. PowerPoint gives you a few simple but powerful options here. Click Picture Effects, and you can add things like shadow or glow to help the image stand out from the background. These effects can make your slide look more professional, especially if your picture is blending into the slide too much. If you want something more artistic, open Artistic Effects. Here you can try options like blur or sketch to give the image a more creative look. Just remember, a little goes a long way, so it's usually best to keep the effects subtle unless you're going for a specific style. If your image has a distracting background, PowerPoint also has a Remove Background tool. Click Remove Background and PowerPoint will try to detect the part of the image you want to keep. You can then adjust the selection if needed and apply the changes once it looks right. This is a great feature for product images, profile photos, or any picture where you want the subject to stand out cleanly. And that's it. Now you know how to edit a picture in PowerPoint using cropping, color adjustments, effects, and background removal. These tools are easy to use, and they can make a big difference in how professional your presentation looks. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.